Struggling to get up from your toilet every single day? You're not alone. Whether you're a senior, tall adult, or caring for an aging parent, the wrong toilet height can turn a simple routine into a painful challenge. We tested 5 comfort height toilets so you don't have to. Today we're breaking down the best options for seniors and tall people and what manufacturers won't tell you. Let's get into it.
Is your toilet actually cleaning itself or just moving water around?
The TOTO Drake 2 answers that question with hardware most toilets at this price simply don't offer. At the center of its performance is the Tornado Flush system, which routes water through 2 strategically placed rim nozzles to create a centrifugal rinse across the entire bowl interior. Rather than directing water to a single zone like conventional rim flush designs, this circular action covers the full surface on every flush, delivering a more thorough clean without drawing additional water.
The bowl itself is finished with TOTO's Cepheontact ceramic glaze, an ion barrier coating that prevents waste and bacteria from bonding to the porcelain at a microscopic level. The practical result, the bowl stays visibly cleaner between scrubbing sessions and takes far less effort to maintain. The rim is also completely hole-free, removing the hidden inner crevice found in standard toilets, a known trap for mineral buildup and bacteria that most homeowners never think to clean.
Water consumption sits at 1.28 gallons per flush, EPA WaterSense certified, making it efficient without sacrificing flushing power. Bowl height reaches 16 to 17 inches at the rim, 17 to 18 inches with a standard seat, meeting ADA comfort height requirements. Additional certifications include CEC and CAL Green.
For homeowners who want a proven, low-maintenance comfort height toilet backed by documented flush and surface technology, the Drake 2 is the straightforward, defensible choice.
What does maximum flush performance actually look like on paper?
For the Kohler Highline, it looks like a perfect 1,000-gram MAP score, the highest rating on the independent MAP performance scale, and the strongest flush verification of any 2-piece toilet on this list. That number isn't marketing language. It's a third-party confirmation that this toilet clears the heaviest standard test load in a single flush every time.
The engine behind that score is Kohler's Class 5 flushing system. Instead of a traditional flapper that lifts gradually, it uses a large canister-style valve that opens fully on activation, releasing a 360-degree surge of water into the bowl all at once. That simultaneous full circumference entry drives significantly stronger hydraulic force through the trapway, which is precisely what produces that top-tier MAP result.
Flush volume is 1.28 gallons per flush, EPA WaterSense certified. Compared to an older 3.5 gallons toilet, that efficiency translates to meaningful water savings that compound across multiple household members flushing multiple times daily, year after year. Bowl height reaches 16.5 inches at the rim, roughly 17.5 to 18 inches with a seat installed, comfortably meeting ADA comfort height standards.
Available in multiple finish colors with an optional tank liner for humid climates where condensation buildup is a concern. Note that the seat is sold separately.
For homeowners who want maximum flush reliability from one of North America's most established plumbing brands, the Highline earns its reputation.
How much time do you actually spend cleaning around the curves and crevices of a standard toilet?
Most homeowners don't track it, but it adds up. The Woodbridge T000 eliminates the problem at the source with a fully skirted trapway, a smooth porcelain panel that runs from the base of the bowl to the floor, concealing the exposed trapway curves and tank-to-bowl gap that turn routine bathroom cleaning into a detailed exercise. Instead of maneuvering a brush around contoured surfaces that collect dust, debris, and product residue, you wipe one smooth panel and move on.
That design advantage comes without sacrificing performance. The dual flush system operates at 1 gallon per flush for liquid waste and 1.6 gallons for solid waste, with a 1,000-gram MAP score at full flush, the maximum independent performance rating, confirming reliable single flush clearance. Bowl height ranges between 17 and 19 inches, meeting ADA comfort height standards throughout.
The box includes the soft close seat, wax ring, floor bolts, and installation tool, so everything needed for a complete installation arrives together. WaterSense and UPC or CSA certifications confirm compliance with North American efficiency and plumbing standards. Woodbridge operates warehouses on both U.S. coasts with domestic customer support handling warranty claims and replacement parts directly.
For homeowners who want a one-piece skirted toilet that genuinely reduces cleaning time without stepping into luxury pricing, the T0001 makes a straightforward case for itself.
How many toilets at this price actually arrive ready to install? Seat, wax ring, and hardware included.
Most don't. The American Standard H2 option does, and that distinction matters more than it might initially seem. While the majority of toilets at this price range ship as bowl and tank only, requiring a separate seat purchase and a separate hardware store trip before a single bolt is tightened, the H2 option arrives with the soft close seat, wax ring, and floor bolts already in the box.
For a first-time homeowner or anyone mid-renovation without a spare seat on hand, that's real money and real time saved before installation even begins.
The performance credentials back up the value proposition. The dual flush system operates at 0.92 gallons for a partial flush and 1.28 gallons for a full flush, with that 0.92 GPF partial figure representing the lowest liquid waste flush volume of any two-piece toilet on this list, dropping well below the WaterSense threshold.
Full flush performance earns a 1,000-gram MAP score, the maximum independent rating, confirming reliable single flush clearance when it counts. The bowl interior features American Standard's EverClean antimicrobial surface treatment, actively inhibiting mold, mildew, and odor-causing bacteria between cleanings. A 3-inch flush valve and fully glazed 2-inch trapway support strong siphon action throughout. Bowl height sits at 16.5 inches to the rim, meeting ADA comfort height standards. Chinaware carries a limited lifetime warranty. For homeowners who want a genuinely complete installation package without trading away flush performance, the H2 option is the practical choice.
What does the lowest partial flush volume on this entire list actually save you over a full year?
With the Horow T0338W sitting at 0.8 gallons per partial flush, below the American Standard H2 option's 0.92 GPF and the Woodbridge T0001's 1 GPF, the answer depends on household size, but the math compounds quickly across multiple people flushing liquid waste several times daily. That incremental difference per flush translates into a meaningful water reduction over 12 months without any conscious effort from anyone in the household.
What makes that figure more notable is the price point it arrives at. One-piece skirted toilets with sub-1 GPF partial flush ratings typically appear at mid-range pricing or above. The T0338W delivers both at the lowest cost on this list and still includes the soft close seat, wax ring, and installation hardware in the box.
Full flush performance earns a 1,000-gram MAP score, the maximum independent rating, confirming reliable single flush waste clearance despite the compact footprint. Bowl height sits at 17.3 inches to the rim, meeting ADA comfort height standards. The fully glazed 2-inch trapway reduces internal friction, lowering the likelihood of partial blockages over time. Overall depth measures 26.5 inches, making it a practical fit for tighter bathroom layouts. Available in both 10 and 12 inches rough-in configurations.
For a budget renovation or secondary bathroom where controlling total project cost matters, the T0338W delivers more specification per dollar than anything else on this list.
So there you have it, the best comfort height toilets for seniors and tall people. Whether you're shopping for yourself or a loved one, the right toilet height truly changes everything. Check the links in the description to see current prices on every model we reviewed. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our next review. Drop your questions below, we read every comment.